The now deleted unboxing video shows that the Porsche design logo will appear on the home screen when starting the device. In other respects, the HUAWEI WATCH GT2 PRO Porsche design should come with high quality and exquisite materials. Furthermore, we expect the likes of sapphire crystals, titanium alloy case, and ceramic case. Also, it can combine two of these materials like a sapphire or black glass to improve monitoring precision and wearing comfort. According to speculations, the HUAWEI WATCH GT2 PRO Porsche design may arrive with the Mate 40 series next month. HUAWEI officially released the smartwatch about 2 weeks ago. This smartwatch features premium materials, including a sapphire watch crystal, titanium case, as well as a skin-friendly ceramic case back. Here are the complete specs of the regular Watch GT2 Pro. HUAWEI Watch GT2 Pro specifications. 1.39-inch, 454 by 454 pixels, AMOLED touch display with sapphire glass protection. HUAWEI Kirin A1 chip plus STL4i9. Bluetooth 5.1 that connects to Android 4.4 and above iOS 9.0 devices. 4 GB memory to store about 500 songs. 5 water resistant up to 50 meters. GPS supported. Integrated microphone and speaker, Bluetooth calling. 100 plus workout modes, including 17 professional modes and 85 custom modes. Accelerometer sensor, gyroscope sensor, geomagnetic sensor, optical heart rate sensor, ambient light sensor, air pressure sensor, and capacitive sensor. Heart rate tracking with TrueScene 4.0 Plus, HUAWEI True Sleep monitoring, HUAWEI True Relax, and all-day activity tracking. Dimensions: 46.7 by 46.7 by 11.4 millimeters. Weight, 52 grams, without strap. 455 mAh battery with up to 14 days of battery life, wireless fast charging. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.